Well, inside I feel like I'm 25 years old.
I get concerned about the wrinkles, and it seems like every time I look in the mirror there's a new one there.
I just turned 30, so I'm more conscious about my face than ever before.
I really didn't take care of my skin the way I was supposed to. Really wasn't responsible with sunscreen.
Rosacea right here on the cheeks, up in the forehead area.
These fine lines, you know, the ones around my eyes and around my mouth. I'm thinking, what am I gonna do about that?
I've struggled with acne my whole life, and it seems like all the other cleansers I've ever used really dry out my skin.
I always thought, you know, skin treatments or skin creams are really for girls. But the more that I thought about it, the more I gave it a try, I said, you know something, this is making a difference.
I love the feel of Luminesse. It's just very silky, really soft on my skin.
The lightness of the product, and it's very refreshing when you put it on.
They go on really nice and they feel real natural.
It's not too messy, it just goes on smooth.
It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel greasy, and I feel refreshed in my face. It's so nice and luxurious.
I love how much it lightened my brown spots and my hands. My biggest pet peeve was how fast my hands have aged.
Your skin rejuvenates itself in the evening, so when you put on the night cream, oh my God, it's fantastic.
I love the serum. That is my favorite of all. It's done so well on softening the fine lines.
I've tried products that just don't seem to do it, but the serum evened out my skin.
I really like the Luminesse system. It works very, very well for me.
My girlfriends have been asking me what I've been using, and I started to tell them, you know, I'm kind of proud about it.
It's soft and my skin feels fresh and moisturized.
It's really good stuff, and I'm really happy I've been using it for sure.